Welcome to our product pick, your go-to spot for the latest camera reviews, photography gear, and creative tech picks. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 best instant cameras in 2025, perfect for capturing memories in the moment and holding them in your hands within seconds. From modern designs with retro vibes to new features like Bluetooth, filters, and better print quality, these instant cameras combine fun, functionality, and style like never before. Film frames, whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or just love the charm of instant photography, we've got the best options for every budget and lifestyle. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump into the best instant cameras you can grab in 2025. Number 5, Polaroid i2. The Polaroid i2 is a bold leap forward for instant photography, combining classic analog charm with modern manual control. Built with a sleek aluminum body and a high-quality continuous autofocus lens, it delivers the sharpest images Polaroid has ever produced. What really sets the i2 apart is its integrated LiDAR autofocus system and full manual mode, giving photographers control over aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, something rare in the instant camera world. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this camera makes it easy to capture sharp, detailed shots with that timeless Polaroid aesthetic. On the performance side, the i2 works with Polaroid I-Type, 600 and SX70 film, giving you great flexibility. The built-in OLED display makes navigating settings a breeze, and the companion app expands your creative possibilities with remote shooting and firmware updates. While the price tag is high, this is a premium instant camera built for people who want both nostalgia and control. If you're serious about instant photography and want the best quality Polaroid offers today, the i2 is worth the investment. Number 4, Polaroid Go Generation 2. The Polaroid Go Generation 2 is a solid contender. This new version improves on the original with a better lens and enhanced color accuracy, all while keeping its iconic retro charm. The camera is compact, stylish, and lightweight, perfect for travel, parties, or creative photography on the go. It features double exposure, a self-timer, and a reflective selfie mirror, making it fun and versatile for everyday use. What really stands out about the Gen 2 is its upgraded performance. The photos develop faster, with richer tones and improved contrast, thanks to its new Polaroid chemistry and film formula. Battery life is also better, offering more shots per charge. While it still uses the unique Go film format, slightly smaller than classic Polaroids, it delivers impressive quality for its size. If you're into analog vibes with modern convenience, the Polaroid Go Generation 2 is definitely worth checking out. Number 3, Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is a perfect blend of retro style and modern technology, offering the best of both instant and digital photography. With its sleek, vintage-inspired design, this hybrid instant camera stands out immediately. Unlike traditional instant cameras, the Mini Evo allows you to preview shots on a bright LCD screen before printing, saving both time and film. Its 10 lens effects and 10 film effects combine for 100 creative photo combinations, letting you get artistic with every snap. The built-in selfie mirror, manual control dials, and rechargeable battery make it ideal for casual photographers who want more control and flair. What truly sets the Mini Evo apart is its ability to connect to your smartphone via the Instax app. You can print photos directly from your phone in the classic Instax Mini format, turning digital memories into tangible keepsakes. The photo quality is sharp for an instant camera, with vibrant colors and rich detail that capture the fun of the moment. Whether you're a fan of vintage aesthetics or just want a fun way to document your adventures, the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo brings creativity, nostalgia, and tech together in a fun, user-friendly package. Number 2, Lomo Instant Wide Glass. The Lomo Instant Wide Glass delivers just that. Equipped with a premium multi-coated glass lens, this camera produces surprisingly sharp, vibrant images with minimal distortion, something you don't typically get from most instant cameras. It uses Fuji Instax wide film, giving you double the image size of standard Instax mini prints. With full manual control, exposure compensation, and a bulb mode, it's perfect for creative shooters who love experimenting with light and long exposures. But this camera isn't just for the pros. Lomography packs in creative tools like splitzer filters, multiple exposures, and color gels to let anyone play with analog magic. However, it's not without quirks. It's bulkier than most, and the learning curve might intimidate beginners. But if you're after artistic flexibility and image quality in the instant format, the Lomo Instant Wide Glass is one of the most exciting options on the market today. Number 1, Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 delivers exactly that. With its refreshed, bubbly design and automatic exposure, It's perfect for anyone who wants to snap and print moments on the go. No photography experience needed. The camera now features a twist lens to turn it on and switch to close-up mode, which makes selfies and portraits even easier. Plus, the built-in mirror next to the lens helps you frame those selfies just right. When it comes to print quality, the Mini 12 maintains the signature Fujifilm pastel tones and vintage-style border that fans love. It uses Instax mini film, which is widely available and comes in lots of fun variants. While it's not designed for pro-level shots, the charm lies in its instant gratification and nostalgia. If you're looking for a reliable instant camera for parties, journaling, or gifts, the Instax Mini 12 is a fun and affordable pick. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome and I'll see you in the next one.